How to delete Google Play Games account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device and simply scroll down to tap on the option of Google over here. As you tap on Google, you can simply see all services option over here. So let's tap on all services. Now scroll down and tap on the option of Play Games under settings for Google Apps. So as I tap on Play Games, it will land us to the Profile Overview category over here. So select on the Privacy and Settings option. As you do that, it will land us to a new page where you can simply see the option of Delete Profile in Game Data at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and you can simply select on the options over here. So you can simply tap on Delete for all of these options, and if you want, you can permanently delete. If not, you can just let it be and delete individual game data over here. So you can simply tap on delete and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.